Hello students, let us study simple past tense, also known as past indefinite tense. This tense denotes an action that occurred or took place in the past. The secret to this tense is to use second form of verb, and this is the simplest of all the tenses. The format of simple past tense is subject plus second form of verb plus object. Here we use second form of verb with all the subjects. For example, I went to market yesterday. We played a match last week. You bought a new car last month. They studied 4 hours every day. He lived in Mumbai. She baked a delicious cake. It rained. So, all these actions occurred in the past. For constructing the negative sentences of simple past, please insert did not after the subject. The rule is subject plus did plus not plus first form of verb plus object. Please remember, after did not we have to use first form of verb and not the second form of the verb. Some examples are, I did not go to market yesterday. We did not play a match last week. You did not buy a new car last month. They did not study 4 hours every day. He did not live in Mumbai. She did not bake a delicious cake. It did not rain. For framing interrogative sentences, we need to add did in front of the subject. That's all. The rule is did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. Let's have a look at some of the examples. Did I go to market yesterday? Did we play a match last week? Did you buy a new car last month? Did they study 4 hours every day? Did he live in Mumbai? Did she bake a delicious cake? Did it rain? In the negative interrogative sentences, we will add did before the subject and not after the subject. The rule is did plus subject plus not plus first form of verb plus object, then question mark. For example, did I not go to market yesterday? Question mark. Did we not play a match last week? Question mark. Did you not buy a new car last month? Question mark. Did they not study 4 hours every day? Question mark. Did he not live in Mumbai? Question mark. Did she not bake a delicious cake? Question mark. Did it not rain? Question mark. Now students, I am sure you would have understood the rules of simple past tense. Now please solve this exercise based on simple past tense. Question 1 is, write the past form of the following verbs. You are given first form of the verb and you have to write the second form of the verb which we use in simple past tense. Question 2, change the following into negative statements. So please convert these sentences into negative sentences. Question 3 is, write these sentences into simple past tense. And question 4 is, change the following into affirmative sentences. And answers of these questions will be available in my next video. Now here on this slide, you can find the answers to lecture 4. The exercise which was given in lecture 4, answers are here, so you can match these answers. Thank you students for watching this video, and for more such videos, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.